Hey, to turn on and set up Portable Hotspot on the Realme 12 5G, first you have to open the settings. Now you will have to open connection and the sharing, and then you have to navigate into the personal hotspot. So now, when you want to turn it on, you have to just click on this switcher. And now as you can see, it will actually share mobile data or the Wi-Fi connection with other devices. In my case, I'm connected only to the Wi-Fi, so the personal hotspot will share my current Wi-Fi connection. And now, when you go below, you can find some hotspot settings, like the name of your hotspot and the password. You can change it if you want by clicking here and using keyboard. Right here, you can find other options like the AP band, so you can switch, for example, for the 5 GHz, but you have to remember that not every smartphone or not every device actually support the 5 GHz. So it's recommended to stay with the 2.4. And additionally, you can hide this hotspot, so it can only be connected manually. And when you go back, we can also find the connection management, so we can check how many devices are actually connected right now. You can also change the connection limit between 10 or 1 device. You can also set the data usage limit, for example, for 10 gigs. And right here, we can block devices if someone actually accesses without your permission. Now we've got another option to automatically turn off personal hotspot when there's like no devices connected for the 10 minutes. And that's actually, that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.